How to split video clip on your iPhone. Simply open up your video clip. I'm using the iOS 18 and if you are using the iOS 26, the setting will be same. Go to this menu, then you can see this kind of interface. Now you can see this is my 1 minute 10-second video, so I want to crop it as 1 minute. Now select this full area and crop like that. Select 1 minute and then go to press on done. Now press on save as new clip. If you press on save as new clip, now if you go back, then you can see the video save as 1 minute. Now the other part, go to your video again, go to your setting again. Now this time crop from 1 minute 1 minute to other 10. Now press on done again and press on save video as new file. Now if you go back, then you can see the video save as different way, two different. And if you want to more accurately, then you need to use this kind of apps. So go to Play Store, then search on split video, then just select video. For example, I want to crop this video, and if you press on choose, then it's automatically clip your video 30-second 60-second, or you can choose as add manually, then press on split and save. And it's a free apps, so you need to consider your ads. Now here you can see the video cut with two different way. Now if you press on save, you can easily save to your file, then video will be saved as like that. So that's it. This is how you can easily split or skin for free. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.